Hey, welcome to How to Fix a Workshop. My name is Josh, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this really cool last name sign that hangs above our pantry. Now, full disclosure, I did not make these 10 letters. I did not cut them out. But if you know how to cut out these 10 letters, please let us know in the comments down below. I started by measuring the space above the pantry where we plan to hang the sign. Then I measured the letters. At the miter saw, I cut 2 equal lengths of shiplap and decided that their widths were okay as is. I had some scrap 1x material that I chose to use for the sign border. I cut those side pieces to length, allowing the long top and bottom to lap the shorter side pieces. Then I hand sanded these border pieces, but I left the shiplap with its rustic texture. A little glue on all 4 corners and a brad nail were enough to hold everything in place. These braces are attached to the back side to prevent the frame from racking, and they give a spot for the shiplap to attach. Off camera, I stained the frame with a dark walnut stain after the glue had dried. Then I attached the shiplap with brad nails. I drilled small holes in the thin metal letters, then lined up the letters and marked these holes on the shiplap before drilling shallow holes in the shiplap. Then I attached the letters to the shiplap with small nails. I decided the easiest way to hang the sign would be with picture wire, and I'll leave a link below to the kit I used. One nail in the wall and the sign was ready to hang. Thanks for watching.